Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off active status on Instagram. So watch this video till the end. When your activity status is on, the people you follow and anyone you message will see when you were last active or currently active on Instagram. But if you don't want others to know your activity status, you can easily turn it off anytime. Keep in mind that when you turn off your activity status, you also won't be able to see anyone else's activity status. To change your activity status, open your Instagram and tap on your profile. Then tap on the hamburger icon in the top right corner and choose Settings. Under Settings, tap on Privacy button. Now scroll down and tap on Activity Status. Finally, tap the switch to toggle off the Show Activity Status. Therefore, your activity status is now turned off. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.